Hey, what's up guys? Dustin Depp here. I'm back with the Violet Smart Switch Lite, and today we're going to show you how to set it up. So I've currently got it powered by micro USB, which is one option that you guys can use. Obviously, it's just more advantageous for filming if it's powered here on the desk. So we're going to go ahead and let this boot up. It should come up and just say there's no network. Now there's no phone app or anything involved with this setup, which makes it super easy. So we'll go to network here and I will select my network. And let me just pop this password in really quick for you guys. So now it is connecting to Wi-Fi, which it already did. As you guys can see, it's really quick to do that. We'll go ahead and hit back. The other thing I'm going to do is go to display here and turn on the standby timer to 60 seconds. Normally it shuts off after 5 seconds, which can be quite annoying for filming a video, but not bad for in the actual house. So now, as you guys can see, I've got no scenes provided, nothing else is set up. So I'll pull down from the top, I'll go to integrations, I'm going to go to add integrations, and there's 3 integrations currently that you can add to the Smart Switch Lite. You've got Philips Hue, Sonos, and then HTTP via SD. And this is one that just came about with the latest update. So with an SD card, you can upload your own, software or your own stuff with it. I'm not too familiar with the HTTP stuff, but I'm sure there's a whole community out there that can walk you through it. But if you're really up to it, then that's how you do it. So for Philips Hue, you're just going to go click on Philips Hue. It automatically comes up with that IP address. And all you got to do is click on that IP address and then go and click the sync button on your Philips Hue. So it says now, please press the bridge link button. So let me go do that. All right, guys, so as you can see, I hit the button. It instantly pops right up and says completed. Press go there to be taken to the scenes. So we've got the office. Now, the only Philips Hue light that I've currently got set up is just a hue strip on the back of my desk here. So if I click on that, it comes up with the 2 scenes I've got, and then you can click on them and add them, office on and off as well. So I'm going to add all 3 of those. The more scenes and the more stuff you've got in the room, you can add to it. But that is currently all I've got in here. So we're going to go back. We're going to go back to integrations, add integration, and we're going to add Sonos. So we'll search for the system, and this is pretty cool. This comes straight up. You don't have to do anything. It's automatically added. So now if I hit this button here, it goes to the normal home screen. So this is your normal power switch stuff right here. So I've got on and off, which just turned on and off the light in here. I've got my 2 different scenes, and obviously you can add more scenes. Now if you want to go to the music, you click down here, and now my music has come up. But not only for this room, if I click the drop down, I can see all of my Sonos throughout my property. And then I can click whichever one I want, the garage, whatever, and then I can go to favorites, and these are all the favorites I've currently got loaded. Obviously the more favorites you've got, the better. So I can go in here and hit Kiss Fresh, and that one is not available. We'll go to Beam. There you go. And if I go back to Kiss Fresh, I can click on that, and now as you can see, Kiss Fresh is up, and it's got the album art, all that good stuff. So really, really cool. I can turn it up, down, mute it, everything. So this is really cool to have a location that you've always got. So you don't have to go around search for your phone or use Google or Alexa, vice versa, to control these items. If you go back to the top, as you can see here, I don't currently have my, my location set in here. So I'm just going to set this in here real fast. So as soon as you put in your postcode, it instantly comes up and says location found. And now you guys can see I've got the correct time and the correct temperature outside with the little weather readings. Unfortunately, where we're at, it's normally cloudy and cold. But that is it for the setup of the Violet Smart Switch Lite. If you guys want to see an install video where I actually install this in the wall and replace a switch, then please let me know. If there's anything else you guys want to see with this Smart Switch Lite, let me know. Also, the guys at Violet wanted to let me know that they're launching a round of seed funding. So if you guys are interested in helping out and funding these guys, funding this great team and project, I know they've got a bunch more stuff they want to do with not only this switch, but other products in the future, then please check the link in the description below. But shout out to the team at Violet for sending this to me. And yeah, that's it for this one, guys. Let me know what else you want to see. At Dustin Depp. Peace.